Hey everybody, I showed y'all a video a couple of months ago where I had this Monstera plant that was super big, overgrown, and of course some of the leaves on it were burnt from last summer's heat. So I will be, from this point forward, keeping it either in the house or in a really shaded area. So what I've done today was propagated the plant and taken some pieces off, and here are the pieces. Here's one right here I put in this plant. I don't know the size of this pot, but I guess it really doesn't matter. And I am going to experiment on a bonsai looking Monstera. Have y'all ever seen a bonsai style looking Monstera plant? Well, I'm gonna try it and see what happens. So I kind of had 3 limbs here and I kind of braided it together, as you see here, and I will put a stake in it so it can sit up. And I also did this one over here the same way. And yes, this leaf is burnt from last year's summer. I will eventually cut it off, but right now it is, as you see, I braided it. So I'm curious to know how will this plant grow up with that braided look. I also did this one that way. And the top leaves on this one, I did the same thing to it. And I'm gonna fill this up more with soil, but I wanna wait first until I get a bigger stake to put into the pot and then fill it up, instead of filling it up and then have to drive the stake in through all the soil. So I'm just gonna wait to fill that up. But that's it. Just want to show you guys that I did get around to propagating this plant, and I'll show you guys in a couple of months what these are looking like. Okay y'all, here is another look at the Monstera plants. And I know some of you guys may say that it's not healthy to intertwine the stems, but I'm just doing a little experiment just to see what will happen. Because I'm pretty positive that this plant will continue to grow and be strong and healthy, you know, especially if I take care of it like I was doing in the beginning, you know, keep it watered, keep it out of hot, direct sun. It'll bounce back pretty quickly. I mean, as you see here, there's already new leaves growing on it, so it'll be fine. And I think this is a bad job of staking. I'm just trying to do something for right now because I need to go to the store to get the actual stakes that I want to have in here to make it look more appealing inside the house. And then after I do that, I will refill it with the soil. But I'm excited to see if it'll grow in a bonsai style. And I will keep you posted on it. And the reason why I did this, like I said, is because I think by twisting it will make this a little bit stronger, so they won't be individually standing on their own. Each stem won't be on their own. It'll be more of a joint effort to make this plant stronger and to grow taller. All right, see y'all on the next video.